Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 6 of English grammar, that is articles. Dear students, we all know that there are three articles in English language: a, and the. Dear students, in the previous classes we have also read that there are two kinds of article. First one is indefinite article and another one is definite article. Okay students, I have told you there are two kinds of article, that is indefinite article and definite article. In the category of indefinite article we keep a and definite articles is the. Okay, in the previous classes we have also read that use of a. Yes students, in the previous classes we have read the use of a. Yes students, in the use of a I have told you that we use the word a. We use the word a with the what? With the consonant sound. With the consonant sound. Yes students, keep your mind. With the consonant sound of Hindi verb. Hindi consonants, that would be the Hindi consonant. Okay, Hindi consonant sound. Hindi consonant, you know, in English, besides a, e, I, o, u, besides these 5 letters, rest of the letters are consonants. And in English, in Hindi, from ka to gya, from ka to gya, that is consonant. In Hindi we call the vyanjan. We call it vyanjan or consonant. So students, keep in your mind. If you will keep in your mind that we use the word a with the consonant sound. Consonant sound, not letters. Okay, not letter, consonant sound, pronunciation. For example, H. H is what? H is consonant, but the sound when we read it, the pronunciation is A. That is vowel of Hindi. Okay students, so you keep in your mind, you should also know the Hindi vowel and Hindi consonant. Okay students, so just keep in your mind that we use the letter A, we use the article A when it is consonant sound of Hindi. Okay? We use the letter A with the consonant sound of Hindi. You will keep in your mind the sound of Hindi: ka, kha, ga, ga, ang, cha, cha, ja, ja, iya. Okay? From ka to gya. You have to know the sound, the pronunciation of that. Yes students? For example, that is university. University. Yes students? That is in English. In English, it is what? It is vowel. U is vowel. But the pronunciation of this U, that is U. That is U. And the pronunciation of it what? Consonant. Okay? Consonant. According to the Hindi vyanjan. According to the Hindi consonant, the pronunciation of that is U. U, ya. That is U. That is ya is what? Ya is consonant in Hindi. Okay, students, if you will match it with the Hindi vowel, Hindi consonant, then your article will be correct. You can use the article correctly. Okay students, so it is necessary to know the Hindi vowel, to know the Hindi consonant, pronunciation, sound. Okay students, so as I have told you that we use the article of. We use the article a with whom? With the consonant sound of Hindi. Okay? We use the article a with the consonant sound of Hindi. And now, just put the heading. In the previous classes, I have read it. You only keep in your mind that if it is consonant of Hindi, consonant sound of Hindi, then you will use the article a. Okay? Now, just see. Just put the heading next, and you just read it first. And when do we use the article and? We use the article and with the what? With the vowel sound. With the vowel sound. With the vowel sound of Hindi. Yes, students, you all know the vowel. Vowel is swar. Vowel is swar in Hindi. From a to aha. From a to aha. A से लेकर aha तक. That is the swar. That is the vowel in Hindi. Okay, students? We use the article and with the vowel sound of Hindi. Okay? If you will keep in your mind the vowel sound of Hindi, then you never commit mistake in the article. You will never commit mistake in the article. Okay, students? For example, you can see here. You can see here that is MBA. What do we use it? Before the MBA, we will use an MBA. Why? That is vowel? No. That is the letter. The letter is consonant. The letter is consonant and is what? And is consonant. But the pronunciation of it and. A. Now just keep in your mind. A. In Hindi, A is what? That is swar. That is swar. That is vowel. That is vowel. Therefore, we will use before MBA and. Just see. Our. H is what? H is consonant. H is consonant according to your Hindi. According to your English letters. In English, A, E, I, O, U, only these 5 letters are vowel and rest of the letters of English are consonant. But here H is also consonant according to the letter of English. But the pronunciation is A word. A is what? In Hindi. It is swar. It is vowel. Therefore we will write an hour. Why? We will use the article according to the Hindi vowel, according to the Hindi consonant. Okay? If the pronunciation of any letter in English is according to the vowel of Hindi, then you will use what? An. If it is according to the consonant of Hindi, then you will use A. Okay, students? Keep in your mind. Now, just put the heading what? Use of and. Just put the heading use of and. Use of and. Just write down the use of and. And is used before the A is and is what? And is used before. And is used before. The word and is used before what? Before the consonant sound. Before the before the vowel sound, before the vowel sounds, S-O-U and D, vowel sounds of Hindi. Before the Hindi vowel sounds, or you can say before the vowel sound of Hindi. Just see. For example, we will see. Just see. Example, we will write what? Egg. Just see the students. Egg. E-double-G. Egg. A, that is what? That is swa. That is vowel. Therefore, we will use before it what? An egg. Okay? We will write before egg and egg. Okay, students? So you will put here an egg. Okay? Just write down. An egg. That is an egg. Next. An apple. A-double-P-L-E. You can see apple. Apple. Therefore, we will use what? The article an. Now, just see what? An honest boy. An honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest boy. H-N-E-S-T. Just see. An egg, an apple, an honest boy. Honest. The pronunciation is honest. Therefore, we will use what? We will use the article an. Okay, students? An and be. You can write here. An and be. And. I have told you already. So, that pronunciation is swar according to the Hindi vowel. Therefore, you will use what? An. Okay, students? And P. Okay, that is and P. A is what? A is vowel. Therefore, we will use the article what? And. Okay, students? So, you keep in your mind, if any word, if any noun, the pronunciation of first letter is swar according to the Hindi swar, then we will use what? We will use an. And Hindi swar you all know. These are what? These are Hindi swar. According to the pronunciation of Hindi swar, Hindi vowel, you will use the article an. If it is according to the sound of pronunciation of Hindi consonant, then you will use a. Okay, students? I hope that you all have understood the things. So you write it about the use of an. We use an. An is used before the vowel sound of Hindi. Okay, students? Vowel sound a, vowel sound a, vowel sound a, vowel sound an, a, vowel sound a. Okay? Therefore, we will use the article and before it. Okay, students? Now, just put the heading use of the. I hope that you all have understood the things. Now, just put the heading use of the. Okay, students? Just put the heading use of the. Use of the. T-H-E. Use of the. Just write down. What is use of the? Just put the heading use of the. We use the article. And what kind of article it is? That is definite article. Okay? The is what? Definite article. I have told you there are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article. In the category of indefinite article, we keep a and an. Okay, and in the category of definite article, we use the article the. And the is what? Definite article. Now we will discuss about it. What is the use of the? When do we use the article the? So now we will discuss. First we will use what? The is used when singular noun represents the whole class. Just write out. The is used. The is used with whom? When a singular noun. When a singular noun represents present. It is not visible, I think. Therefore, I will not write here. I am going to erase it. Okay? Just see here. The is used when a singular noun represents present. Just see. A singular noun represents the whole class. Represents the whole class. Just see. The word, the article, the is used when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, just see example. Just write down the example. Just see the example. What? You can see. Example is the dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Okay, students? Here the dog represents the whole class of the dog. Therefore, we will use the article the before the word dog because it denotes the whole class of the dogs. It represents the whole class of the dog. That dog is the faithful animal. Okay, students? One more example you can see. That is example A. That is example B. The cow. The cow is a kind animal. The cow is a kind animal. Just see, kind animal. Yes, students, in this sentence, the word the is used before the noun that represents the whole class of the cow. Okay? So here the word dog denotes the whole class, therefore I have used before it the article the. Here the word cow denotes the whole class of the cow, therefore that we have used here before it what? The article the. Okay, students, so write it. The first use of the is used when the singular noun represents the whole class. Okay? Now, just write it. Now we will discuss the another use of the. Just write down. The is used with the article the is used with the name. Just see, the is used with the name of ocean, seas, seas, rivers and gulfs, GULFS. Okay, just write down. The is used before the what? Before the name of ocean, seas, rivers and gulfs. Okay, example you can write. Just write down the example. Example you write the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific, Pacific, Pacific Ocean, Ocean. Okay, just write down. Before Pacific Ocean, we will write the article the. Okay, the Ganges, that is river, G-A-N-G, the Ganga, or you can say the Ganges. Okay, etc. You can write. Just write down. We use the article the with the name of oceans, seas, river and gulfs. Okay, students? Just write it. So, that is the second rule. We use the article the with what? Oceans, seas, river and gulfs. You keep in your mind. And we also use the article the when singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, students, I hope that you all have written. Now, write down the huge third use. Okay, I am going to erase the first use. I hope that you all have done. Now, come to the use of third. Just see. Use of third. What is use of third? The is used before the name of unique object. Okay, the is used. The word the is used before the name of unique object. Unique object. Example. Just see the example. Write down the example also. The earth. The earth. E-A-R-T-H. Okay? The earth. The sun. It is unique in this world. Earth is unique in this world. The moon, etc. Okay, now just see. We use the article the before the name of unique object, that is earth, the sun, the moon, etc. Okay, students, just write it. Okay, students, I am going to erase it. Come to the next. Useful. Just write down. The is used before the mountain ranges. The article the is used before the mountain article the is used before the mountain ranges. R-A-N-G-E-S. You see, the article the is used before the mountain ranges. Example, the Himalayas. Example, the Himalayas. Okay? The Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. Okay, students, etc. Just like it. ETC. It is not visual, therefore I will write here. Just see. We use the article the before the mountain ranges. For example, Himalaya, the mountain. Dear students, we also use the article the before the holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. Okay? With the rivers also, the Ganges. the Yamuna. Okay? And yes, students, all these things, all the use of the, you write in your notebook, and in this way we have completed the chapter, that is 6, and exercises are left. In the next class we will discuss the exercises. Yes, students, in this chapter we have read the use of use of and use of the. I have told you we use the article a before the consonant sound of Hindi. Okay? And we use the article and before the vowel sound of Hindi. And we use the article the with so many ways. You see, before the name of unique object, before the name of mountain ranges, before the name of ocean, seas, gulfs. Okay? And before the name that denotes the whole class, before the name of the unique books. Okay? Special book, holy books. Okay, students, so that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. Okay? If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.